It is given if the polynomial as over my screen interpolates the data as given in your table, then we have to find the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta will be what? So polynomial interpolates the data. It means if we put input in the polynomial, then corresponding output we will have. So first put p minus 2, output is 2, and if we put x as minus 2, so alpha plus beta times 0 plus gamma times 0 plus delta times 0. From this one we have 2 equals to alpha. So first input and output gives you value of alpha. Similarly, put second input. So p minus 1 equals to minus 1, and from this one we have alpha plus beta into 1 plus gamma into 0 plus delta into 0. From this one we have minus 1 equals to 2 plus beta. From this one beta equals to minus 3. At this stage we have two values, alpha and beta. Now try to find value of gamma and delta. So P0, third input is P0, and this value is 8 equals to 2 plus minus 3. Put corresponding value of alpha and beta and x. So 2 plus minus 3 into 2 plus gamma into 2 into 1 plus 0. So 8 equals to 2 minus 6 plus 2 gamma. This implies gamma equals to 6. We have three values, means alpha, beta and gamma. Now P1 equals to 5. So put value of x equals to 1 and corresponding value of alpha, beta and gamma. 2 plus minus 3 into 3 plus 6 into 3 into 2 plus the delta into 3 into 2. From this one we have delta equals to minus 4. Now all values, unknown values we have, means alpha, beta and gamma. So alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta equals to 1. So value of this sum is equals to 1.